Welcome to the municipality of Bantayan. Bantayan is a laid-back community. It is divided by 3 municipalities, the Bantayan proper, Santa Fe, and Madre Dios. Bantayan is composed of 25 barangays, 20 barangay of which are in mainland, and 5 are island barangays. The name of Bantayan is inspired by what people are shouting here whenever they saw the Vinta of Nemoro rushing to the island. From their watchtowers, like this one, they will shout, "Bantayan, Bantayan," or in English, "Keep watch," to alert people to the arrival of enemies. Bantayan also proud to have one of the oldest church in Visayas and Mindanao, the St. Peter and Paul Parish. It was founded on June 11, 1580s by the Augustinian friars. It was dedicated to the Blessed Mother in the title Convento de la Asunción de Nuestra Señora. The stone church was later made during the administration of Father Doroteo Andrada del Rosario, who came in the island in 1834. The construction of stone church started in 1839 and was finished in 1863. The Bantayan Plaza is one of the remaining public parks in the Philippines that conforms to the Spanish Quarter layout. During the American period, the plaza was the center for the big occasion like the annual Fiesta celebration and other social activities. Today, it is used as a public space for sports, entertainment, and other activities. The Bantayan Municipal Port is an important landmark as it is Bantayan's gateway to the neighboring provinces such as Negros, Panay, Samar, and Masbate. This part also serves as the jump point to the various islets and 5 islands barangays of Bantayan. Bantayan is also known as the egg basket of the Visayas. However, it cannot supply eggs to other provinces in Visayas due to the devastation brought about by the Sopher typhoon. But still, Bantayan supplies almost 50% or 4 million eggs out of 9 million eggs consumed by Negros Occidental every month. Fishing and farming are the 2 major industries in Bantayan. Municipality of Bantayan is also famous for the world-renowned boneless and salted danggit and other dried marine products in very affordable prices. Bantayan is also dubbed as the Lenten capital of Visayas. People from all over the country visit Bantayan during Holy Week, especially during Maundy Thursday and Good Friday, to witness the solemn foot procession that features life-size images and icons mounted on elaborately decorated carrozas that depicts the passion and death of Jesus Christ. Bantayan Island is heaven with a gifted sea. Palaod is term for fishermen written in Divor. Palaod is a Cebuano term which means to go out to the sea and catch fish. Palaod depicts the unique fishing routine of Bantayanon. The Palaod Festival has gained national and international acclaim. It holds the singular honor of being the 3-time consecutive Grand Champion of the province-wide Pasigarbo sa Subo Festival of Festivals. Tara na, magpalaod na kita!
Say paspas jutay, pagamuyo kang San Pedro, manalangin kang San Pablo. Managtigong kita o magbuya ka, magambahan kita, sa ulugon tang nakangtang grasya, uban sa paghigugma, uban sa pagbugsay ta.